What's up, YouTube? It's me, Kirby, and you're watching another episode of KIRBBQ. I got some boxes the other day, and so this is going to be my unboxing video of what I received in the mail. So, join me in all the fun and excitement of this unboxing. Alright, I'm going to adjust the camera and move it down so you can see what we got going on. Alright. Okay, those are my two boxes, and let's see what we got in. Box number one. Grill grates. Say a set of 2 panels. This says feet and 2 hinge pantries. Hooks. Oh, some grates. Wow. I wonder what this could be. What could it possibly be? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Why, this looks like the lid to a grill. Two charcoal baskets. Two charcoal baskets. Oh. That's box number one. Bring box number 2 into view. Whew. Keep that to the curb. Let's move it up to the table. And sounds like my neighbors are arguing. All right. All right. This are all the components. All right. So what I have here are all the components to make the 270 GS grill. This is going to be what I use when I go to SCA competitions. It'll be the grill that I use in that format. Of course, it's a 270 product. Terry and Stephanie West make the 270 smoker, as most of you may be familiar with. I think they do a great job in the products that they make. Great customer service, and they're just good people all around. I want to give a big shout out to Glenn Zobel of Love and Smoke. He's the person that sold me on actually making a purchase for the 270 GS. I was leaning towards the PK grill, which is what most guys use on SCX circuit for cooking the steaks. But in talking to him, he had a PK grill, and he said he sold his PK grill to get a 270 GS because he said that the 270 GS had more versatility. You could do more things with it, and I think once I get it all assembled, I'll be able to show you some of that versatility. So Glenn, if you're watching, thank you for sharing with me your input about the 270 GS. Okay, without further ado, let me go ahead and get this assembled. Stay tuned. Thus far, assembly of the 270 GS has seemed pretty easy. It's just screwing on the legs. I already have 3 of them assembled, so I'm putting on the 3rd leg now. The screws come in initially at the bottom of the cooking chamber. So you unscrew the nuts and you turn the screws outward. You take your little foot, you put it on, and after watching Terry's helpful and instructional video, since I'm doing it by myself, I just add a little torque pressure to it like this here, and then I just hand tighten each of the nuts on. Now that I got it at least hand tight, I'm going to take my pliers and grab onto the nut. I have a box end wrench, and the nut seems about 7/16, and then just going to go ahead and finish tightening it up. That's close enough for government work, and that's pretty much it for getting the legs on. I'm going to set her up. Now I got to put the lid on. Let me turn it around. 2 charcoal baskets. Set down in here like this here. Make sure that's not. Okay. And the lid sits on. Goes on like that. Then we have these little clip pins that go right here. And one on this side. I hope I capture that. And this is it. This is the 270 GS. Now let's go ahead and comes with a little. You have to figure out how this fits on. I know it goes up there some kind of how. I know that ain't the right way. But let me bring you in for a closer look. All right. As you can see, you have 2 charcoal baskets that you can use. And there's a little divider here. I don't know if let's make sure I have that. Don't see it. I thought a little divider was supposed to come with this. I asked Terry about that. But anywho, I got them. Some grilled grapes. And the grill, and a regular grilling grill. And these are smoking grapes, so if I want to, when I'm doing my SCA cooks, after I grill my steaks and get them to the sear that I want, I can put them on this elevated rack so I can cook them, finish cooking them until I get them to the doneness that I want, then take them off. But that's perfect. I can take my grill grapes out. Have 2 elevated grates for when I want to do some wings, ribs, whatever. You can also inverse them. Have them drop down like that if you want to do a little, get some extra searing on some stuff. And this is going into the account of the versatility that Glenn sold me on. That is just versatile. See here, I got a grate that's high, grate that's slow. I can go ahead and this is one of the hooks you use to take your fire basket out. You need to do that. I can put a half aluminum pan on that side to use as either a water pan, catch pan for whatever I'm cooking on that side. Put this back in there. It's just looks like it's gonna be a real versatile cooking tool. So I'm looking forward to using this. And all the neat things I'm gonna do. So that's my unboxing video. Looks like that is how you do it. You just set it up there like that. Okay. For that side shelf, I'm sorry. For that side shelf, just set it. Just take it, set it right on that handle. There you go. But there she is in all her glory. 270 GS. And just like on the 270 smoker, has the cooking, has the same type of dampening system with it. Let me run you on this side. Here's where you can get you. There's two of these dampeners on both sides of the grill. You can adjust your heat, your air intake to increase or lower your temp. So I'm gonna have some time learning how to adjust that. But yeah, I'm excited. Looking forward to using this. All right. $270 GS. All right. Thanks for tuning in into my unboxing video. I really appreciate your guys' continued and ladies' continued support of my channel. I'll be doing my first cook on this weekend. Hopefully the weather holds out. Stay tuned for that video to see what I cook up on that. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Kirby. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell at the bottom of the page so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Y'all be blessed and stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. Take care. Watch out for those in your circle of influence who may be more susceptible to it than anyone else. All right. God bless.